Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the English language one word at a time. I'm Alex, your host, and today we're diving into a simple yet versatile word, anybody. It's an A2 level pronoun, meaning any person, and you'll find it popping up in all kinds of conversations, formal and informal. So, what exactly does anybody mean? It's used when we're referring to an unspecified person or when it doesn't matter which person we're talking about. For example, you might ask, "Is anybody coming to the meeting?" Here, you're not focusing on a specific individual, but on the possibility of someone attending. Let's explore some synonyms for anybody. Words like anyone, whomever, or someone can often be used interchangeably, though they may have subtle differences in usage. For instance, you could say, "Can anyone help me with this problem?" Or, "Is there someone available to answer a question?" Both sentences carry the same idea as anybody. Now for a quick look at antonyms. Words like nobody or no one express the opposite of anybody, emphasizing the absence of people. For example, "There's nobody at the front desk right now," or "No one answered the phone when I called." See how those sentences shift the meaning entirely? How can you use anybody in everyday conversations? Imagine you're hosting a party and want to make sure everyone feels welcome. You might say, "Anybody who wants to join the game can come over here." Or at work, "Has anybody seen the report I left on the table?" It's a handy word that fits perfectly into countless scenarios. Here are a few more examples to bring anybody to life. Does anybody know how to fix this? I didn't see anybody at the park this morning. If anybody needs help, let me know. And that's a wrap for today's episode. We've unpacked the meaning, synonyms, antonyms, and common uses of anybody, showing just how flexible and useful this little word can be. Thank you for tuning in to Hello Word. And if you enjoyed today's episode, don't forget to subscribe and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and we'd love to hear from you. Try creating your own sentence using anybody and share it in the comments. I can't wait to see what you come up with. Until next time, keep exploring and enjoying the beauty of the English language.